Knight check. Oh man, oh man. I don't know. My viewers will slow, so I'm waiting and hope you will watch the full video. Watch if you interested to learn anything as a beginner, but don't any strong player cannot learn anything from so bad. So it's hope the hope I am going to play default many lag happening. So you see 1 minute completed, but no player joining. Should I make a refresh of it? That just add some ads coming here. I think you cannot see it because it's a short vertical video. So at last I got my first first move going to be happen. So hope you enjoy my video, guys. Maybe I can cut my previous option because it is full of just some lagging. Okay, he captured on e4 immediately, attacking me. So I can go for this trap, but I think my opponent is 1900, so he can understand. Sorry, because if the knight d7, then knight d6 checkmate waiting for him. So my queen under attack, so he developed better. I'm going to play faster because also he bring entering with the bishop on e7, attacking, making an attack on my queen. So let's see. I am also attacking the knight now. So he cannot push a6, but I can castle also. It's looking, but king set castle. Then I can play d7. Should be oh, he want to change here. Exchange here. I want to. Should I exchange it? Or bishop c4, another piece development. So if he captures, I can capture. I want to capture with knight first, because if castle, then checkmate happens. I think my opponent is 1900. He cannot fall for this trap. Let's see, but he can push now a6. I can challenge the queens. Let's see. He can attack my bishop d3. That means all attack will come now. Should I develop or should I capture it? I think it is better, but he can again join here and exchange my bishop here. But still he is not castling, but now he is forcing me. So I think, but he can capture. He can capture. If I play f4, he can capture my pawn, extra pawn. I think I have to finish exchange queens now. The queen have been exchanged now. His knights is looking good. So the time is we played faster this game. 15 move completed. So my opponent is platinum, maybe platinum, but I am also going to get a platinum because I have okay, castle done. I've got a platinum membership as a gift from a tournament for my second place there in chess streamers battle. Name is the channel name is Avinash Creates. I think is great, supporting me always. So can I play this? I think I can play because anyway I have to prevent this knight is coming strong. Two knights are at d4 on d5 and waiting there. Let's exchange my bishop. So he's exchanging here, but I think more knights are joining. Can you see? Bishop is better here. He cannot win any pawn because my knight is protecting. So anyway, he cannot capture. If I don't allow it, he cannot capture because anytime it will be under attack. And the king is in the g1. Okay, he want to capture free pawn. Should I take it? Yeah, I can take it because if I take it, he can capture, I can capture, and his king will be totally. So king set attack is going to happen if he allows me. But he has this nice check here. But after this check I can attack the knight again, but I should think that before, because knight check, if he saves then I can lose my knight. It is bad. But I think he is, oh, but he is now nice fork. So it's a nice fork actually. So he played nice move. I did not see that. I'm in trouble. If I exchange the knight, what can happen? Check will happen only, but that means knight. I can play d3, f5. I think it's better give him an exchange. It's better, I think, because I lost my knight without any reason. He will take any of the piece, I know. But I could save one of the rook, but I think my knight will go. My knight will lost for no reason. Okay, go here. He captures one of the rooks, so I'm in bad shape now. Totally exchange down. Totally, that means -2. So I'm in danger, but I'm trying to now best use of my other my bishop. My bishop is there. King. I can capture the king. Let's see. Okay, he's preventing always me. So bishop is stopped. His knight can join again here. Yeah, here the knight can join. So I think I can go here, improve my king, because knight can join and get an exchange my bishop by have a knight here and knight c6 check. So should I exchange the? I should try, but he can exchange. I can exchange also with a pawn, I think. Then, but I have one rook, so I cannot exchange the pieces now. Oh, he's entering here. He's entering, but this is the square. Maybe if I exchange, I think I can exchange, but it's not working because my bishop cannot work. I have to play first here. So here is some trick. If he play this rook to b8 anytime, I can get a chance to get a fork again. But I don't think that my opponent allow this. But my knight is better, I think. But I should make my bishop activated. There is the e6 pawn. Weak e6 pawn. How to get advantage? But I cannot. Oh, this is now really weak. But how to attack? If I exchange, then nothing working. Exchange, then I can attack the pawn. Oh, I can attack, but he can save it easily with the king. Okay, I think improve my bishop or try to exchange this e6 pawn. Only the way I have nothing, because I cannot improve my rook anywhere, because he's black has 2 rooks and he can exchange anytime. So I think he's better here. But only time can save me if I. But still, his time is better. He's trying to keep the time better than me. Let's see, and he is going to play b4. Then I can grab a pawn. But what can I play also? Should I capture now? Capture and attack the pawn. He can. Oh, he can do that. King f6. Then I can check. Okay, let's do it. Because I have to make some attack. Otherwise, I cannot survive here. So rook should be here now. Hope it is not. He is not winning anything. But I think I am winning this pawn. He can try now to challenge. I can get a pawn with check. Yeah, check. and maybe I can get a draw. Rook check and rook check. My knight is supporting on the g6. Let's see. Check check. So as I'm recording the video, there is, oh, he protects that, but now I can enter here. Let's see. With a check, or I can harass the king many times. Let's see. Check on g6, but I cannot win anything here. He is well protected, everything is protected, but this is the weak pawn. How to attack this? I don't know. Check check. I think rook check, and the king will, now he's in danger. Yeah, now he's in danger because now the rook to g7 check, rook g7 check, and I'm winning something, winning at least one pawn. I was so bad. Knight check. Oh man, oh man, I don't know. My viewers will how they react with this video. I'm reacting. I think really, but it was just exchange down. Do you see? My opponent is 3 + 3, but I have a nice checkmate. Can you believe it? My opponent 1900 rated. He has an advantage now. Knight check the checkmate. Can you see that, guys? Hope you will comment if you find that move, and just engage in my video. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. So hope my opponent still don't see that. I think it's checkmate. I got it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you fully watched that, I don't know, but I'm making this video. So I got some rating, and hope you have learned something how I am playing in pressure. So thank you, guys.